y'all, welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is System Test 65, I think. We still have my FCI MS2. I think that's the model number, let's look. Yeah, MS2. Let me close this thing. We have my Gentex Commander 3 remote strobe on the 15 candela. Yeah. We have a Wheelock bell that I just got today. Or not today. Wow, I got that like a week ago. I'm struggling. So yeah, before I pull the alarm, don't pull fire alarms in real buildings, and don't watch if you're sensitive to strobe lights, although this is 60 per minute, but still, I don't want to cause seizures. So yeah, alright, let's do this thing. 3, 2, 1. Doesn't sound the best, but it's fine. Alright, and let's do the smoke detector. Okay, so I think that's the whole video. It's a short little video, but I hope you guys enjoy the bell, because that's always cool. Anyway, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on Thursday, hopefully. Peace.